Advanced querying techniques in MongoDB. We will explore some advanced MongoDB querying techniques that can help you fine-tune your queries and enhance overall performance. MongoDB query optimization. Optimizing MongoDB queries is crucial for improving query performance and reducing response times. One way to optimize queries is by using indexes. Another way to optimize queries is by using the aggregation pipeline. The aggregation pipeline allows you to process data and perform complex transformations on the fly, reducing the amount of data that needs to be returned from the database. Efficient MongoDB queries. Efficient MongoDB queries are essential for maintaining high performance and reducing query complexity. One way to improve query efficiency is by tuning your queries to only retrieve the data that is needed. MongoDB query execution plan. When executing a query in MongoDB, the database uses a query execution plan to determine the most efficient way to retrieve the requested data. The query execution plan outlines the steps the database will take to locate and return the data, including the indexes that will be used and the order in which operations will be performed. You can also use tools like Explain to view the query execution plan and analyze how the database is processing your queries. Conclusion. In conclusion, advanced querying techniques in MongoDB are essential for optimizing query performance, improving efficiency, and maintaining high scalability.